How's it going, everybody? Today we're going to be taking a closer look at the 2025 Coachmen Chaparral. This is going to be their 368 TBH floor plan. Now, I don't know what TBH stands for yet, other than to be honest, but to be honest, let's take a look at this camper, guys. We're going to check out the campsite first before we step on the inside. You've got a good size awning over that entry door. Towards the rear, you're going to see a little bit of an outdoor kitchen action. You've got your shower, your sink, not a shower. You've got your oversized fridge, which is really nice because normally they're like half the size of that. Don't forget about your propane quick connect underneath. Looking down at the tires, you can tell that we have dual axle. And then if we go up these solid steps here, we're going to check out your living room area first. So straight ahead, you have a couch. This couch does fold into a bed in case you do have some late night stragglers. A little bit of a storage situation up top there, which is really nice. Beautiful cabinets. But you do have one slide out in this fifth wheel all together. Really brings down the weight, which is nice. Next to that, you're going to have your theater seating. This theater seating does have cup holders on either side, as well as some remote storage in the middle. They do recline. Keep that in mind. To the left of that, you're going to see your freestanding dinette. Now, this is a really good freestanding dinette. Nice, big, solid chairs, which is really good to have. You also have these solid blackout window shades, which is really nice. And then to the left of your freestanding dinette, you're going to see a little coffee bar area, maybe an air fryer area. Across from this slide out, you're going to find your kitchen. So from left to right, you have your entertainment center, smart TV, soundbar, a little bit of storage below, single basin sink. You also have your microwave, 3-burner cooktop, refrigerator. But if we go through this door here, you're going to find your bunk room. So altogether, this bunk room can sleep up to 3 kiddos. On the right here, you've got a bunk up top, bunk down below. A little bit of a shoe kick situation maybe. And then on the left, you have another bunk with your TV backer and extra storage. At the very back of this fifth wheel, you're going to find your full bath for the kiddos. On the right, you've got your shower tub combo, which is really nice since, you know, kids, tubs, perfect. Of course, you still have that skylight in there. Your sink, porcelain toilet, storage action on the left. But if we make our way towards the middle of this fifth wheel, up these stairs to the left here, you're going to see your other full bath. So 2 full baths all together. You've got your medicine cabinet, your sink. The shower is going to look a little bit different in this one. Little corner seat. Of course, you still have that skylight and then another porcelain toilet right down below. At the very front of this fifth wheel, you're going to see your main bedroom. This is going to be a queen size bed, storage underneath, storage up above. You've got your CPAP cubby holes on either side of the bed, as well as windows. But across from the mattress, you're going to have some storage, a little wardrobe, pull out drawers, super cute to have. All right, guys, this is going to be your 2025 Coachmen Chaparral 368 TBH. Thank you so much. Have a great day. You'll find your bunk room. So altogether, this bunk room can sleep up to 3 kiddos. On the right here, you've got a bunk up top, bunk down below, a little bit of a